Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by building a live template that mirrors your show workflow. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Create instrument and audio tracks, assign I/O, and load patches so you can recall everything instantly. Once done, set your audio interface sample rate and choose a reliable buffer size, typically 128 or 256, for stable performance. Make sure low latency mode is enabled, and replace heavy plugins with channel strip alternatives to reduce CPU strain before you hit the stage. Next, you map your hardware. Assign CC knobs, program changes, and foot switches to patch changes and effect toggles so you can operate hands-free. Route stems to dedicated buses for front-of-house and monitor mixes. Sends let you control levels without altering dry tracks. Once done, group related channels with track stacks to manage stems and CPU load. This simplifies scene changes. Make sure your MIDI clock and synchronization are locked to external tempo sources if you're integrating drum machines or external sequencers. Finish by defining your live workflow. Place markers for song sections, set snapshot automation for mixes, and practice scene transitions until they're muscle memory. Record a live backup to a second drive and enable auto-save plus project alternatives to revert quickly if needed. Once done, add emergency controls, a single mute MIDI or hardware switch, a CPU meter visible on stage, and a bypass path for problematic plugins. If something breaks, first disable suspect plugins, switch to the backup template, then troubleshoot calmly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.